It's Dupe. Hoover's just now joined from the first spin, so we're just joining for the first spin, so anyway, yeah. So we're just about to go for the second intermediate spin, going for now, second intermediate spin, going for the second intermediate spin, anyway, yeah. So just got 3 minutes there, anyway, yeah. I think this machine probably the worst passing charge I've ever fought with. This is the worst passing charge I've ever seen this over, God. I think that's the worst passing charge I've ever seen, God. And that's the worst passing charge I've ever seen on this over, God. It's the worst passing charge I've ever seen. This machine's only got 1 minute, you can tell. This machine's got 1 minute left anyway. But that should be spinning right now, this machine should be spinning right now anyway. That's going to do the worst bit what we're going to do with this machine. I think this machine should be spinning right now. This machine should just spin right now, obviously. Not like they did on the first spin, because I think the first spin was the worst one. Good, I think. I think that's what it's just telling me like it did on the first spin anyway. This Hoover machine is going to have to spin, obviously. It's still got 1 minute left. It has anyway. It seems way out of balance. This machine seems way out of balance, but anyway. This machine is kind of look more like out of balance or something. This machine seems to be out of balance anyway. This is currently the worst machine I ever hate, really. This is currently the worst machine I ever hate, really. This is definitely the worst machine that I just hate, really. It's definitely the worst machine anyway. Oh, it's about to go anyway. When we've got that, that's going to blooming jump that is. That's going to jump anyway. This is going to blooming jump that is. This machine is going to blooming jump it, well. This will just blooming jump it, well. Didn't actually jump this time. I think the first spin was the best one. God, I think on the first intermediate spin was the best one, obviously. Right, we're going into the final minutes now. We're going to the final minutes now. Just going on to the final minutes. We're going on to nano. This is the final minutes stage. Going on to nano. This is the final minutes. Is going on to nano. Right. Just going for the final minutes now, anyway, with the Comfort Intense Fresh Sky Fabric Soft that I'm using anyway. Yeah, I think this is the only soft that we're using, this the Comfort Fresh Sky Fabric Soft that we're using. I think this is the Comfort Fresh Skies one we're using anyway, the Comfort Fresh Skies one we're using anyway, the Comfort Fresh Skies. think that's what this thing has got a 40 thing on it. That's got a 40 temperature. That's this machine has. I think that this machine's obviously got a 40 display that's got anyway, which says temp on it. I did skip that to 30 obviously, if I just made a mistake, I'll just skip that to 30 anyway. There goes the fabric softener. It goes fabric softener anyway. As you can tell, there goes fabric softener anyway. Yeah, fabric softener is starting to all go in anyway. I bet it would do a pretty deep wall level, I think. It will actually do a low water level, I think. I think this would do a low water level, I think. Yeah, I think it's probably. I think this machine probably filled up anyway. Yeah, this machine's probably already filled up to low level. I think that's why it turned it into low level rinse. Sometimes it's very big though. It does the high water level. So anyway, catch on, fine spin.